There is a day when whole country is alive with mesmerizing hues of blues, yellows, greens, violets and more. And each color symbolizes a force in life, and thus our life and colors are inseparable. A very lovely morning to Honorable Principal Sir, respected teachers, my seniors and my dear friends. On behalf of Shivaji House, I Meenakshi Chaudhary wish you all a very happy and colorful Holi. Holi is the day when clouds of colors dance in the wind and spread the inspiration, hope, message of love and happiness as it marks the arrival of spring. This festival is the festival of colors because its central ritual is the throwing and applying of colored water and powders on friends and family. This celebration truly brings the country together. Holika Dahan celebrated night before Holi. It is a ritual where people burn the idol of Holika, the evil sister of Hiranyakashipu. And next day, we smear each other with colors and drench each other. It is a festive day to end and rid oneself of past errors, to end conflicts by meeting others, a day to forget and forgive. We face so many ups and downs in life. The colors of Holi represent the ups and downs in our life and how to overcome them by playing with them. This festival inspires our loved ones to be strong and bold in life. Let us all welcome the great festival with joy and happiness, and once again I wish you all a very happy Holi. Thank you to all of you. Have a nice day ahead.